Yo guys, JS Thompson here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put this
Finish him!
into your live stream. Now before we get into the video, I do stream on Twitch regularly. Link will be down below, but it is twitch.tv/JS Thompson 9, so just come check us out. Come jump on stream with us and let's have a good time. Now let's get into the video and show you how to do this. So you can do this with any PNG file, any sound. It's dead simple using hotkeys. I do have one of these. It is a stream deck. This is an absolute beauty. You can literally just assign it to one button. So that's that, bang, there. Easy, simple. So that's that for me. But you can do it just with hotkeys. Now, if you don't understand hotkeys, I will show you how to do it in this one. It's dead simple. But this is the hotkey for this. So same principle there. Brings it up, takes it away. You won't be using this all the time. I have a respect one for any time someone new jumps into stream, or if I get a follow. I will show you that later, but you can do it with anything, literally anything. I've seen a lot of KO ones. I've got this finishing one. Your imagination can run wild with it. It does just add a bit more zing and oomph to your stream when them key moments do happen. So without further ado, let's jump in. Let's show you how to get this done. So first, what you're going to want to do is group your image and sound together. I've got it in this folder here, just so they're easier for you to find. I mean, obviously you don't have to, you can just type them in when you come to it, but I've got them in this folder here, just so we can find them. So I'll bring back this up and we're back and we're loaded. So what you're going to want to do first of all, like anything else, add your new source. Your new source being your image first, or you can do your sound first. It's entirely up to you. For this, we're going to go image first. Just for the purpose of the video, I'm going to do it on this screen. I have got mine up there already, but we're going to add new source there. And for this, we're just going to finish him image, just so we can define which one it is when it comes to adding the hotkeys. So add your source there. Browse as normal like you would. Add your PNG file and it'll bring it up there. Click done. So that's brought it up there, as big as you want. I like it quite big, so we're going to put that in there. Turn off so you can't see it on your screen, obviously, because you don't want it there all the time. Next, you're going to add another new source, which is going to be your media source. You're going to be your sound, so you just same again. We're going to add new source, name it finish him sound, add the source, bring up your browse, and it should be there. There we go. Obviously if it's not there, it'll be on your desktop in the folder that you named. Finish him. And you want your settings to be the exact same as this. If they're not like this, it's not going to work. You don't want it on loop because it'll be just repeating itself. So just use this. This is the best I've had. So click done. And now that's got them both on screen. But what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to group them together. So control and click both. Let's just click off there a second because it's not going to work. Click both. Group into folder. Never happens first time for me. Group. Let's see if it does it this time. Group into folder. There we go. Obviously finish him just to keep it nice, but you do need to group them together. You have to group them together in order for this to work. Click done. Now they're in one folder. You're going to want to click that symbol there, obviously, so it's off your stream until you activate it, and you'll be activating it through the hotkeys. So to add your hotkeys, what you're going to want to do is go into settings down here in the corner, click there, go to hotkeys. You can do this on OBS Live as well. Obviously I'm on Streamlabs now, but the same principle applies. So go down to the scene we're on at the moment. We're on desktop screen, scene, whatever you want to call it. You got your finish him sound there, and you got your finish him image there. You're going to want to use the same hotkeys for both sources. So for this, we're going to just go Control Alt, and we'll go bracket right. We're gonna go Alt Control bracket right. So you got to do it in show finish him sound and hide finish him sound. So do it for both of them, and then the same applies for the image as well. Do that, bang, bang. There we go. Jobs are good, and click done. And then, if all goes well,
finish him.
There we go. Close again. So that's that to add it into your, just in general with your hotkeys. Now if you've got a Stream Deck, I'll show you how to incorporate it into your Stream Deck as well. It's dead simple, that one click of a button as well. So let's pull the Stream Deck up now. So here is the Stream Deck. So what you're going to want to do is click on a new one, create multi-action. Click your arrow there for your actions. You're going to want to go to system, add hotkey. Remember what hotkey you add. You assigned it to hotkey. You want 2 hotkeys, one for bringing it up and then one for closing it. So the first one, you just do your hotkey, and your second one, same again, assign your hotkey to that. So that is that. So that, in a sense, you press your button on your Stream Deck, bring it up, close it again. Now that is very quick. It's not matching the sound. So in order to have it match your sound that you've got, you're going to need a delay. Now come back into your Stream Deck, go to Stream Deck on here, click delay, add that in the middle. Now it is in milliseconds, so that's 1 second is 1,000 milliseconds. I'm going to do this about 1,500. We'll see how that goes. Can't really remember what I put it at as my original one, but that's what that is going to be. So then you just hit that and it should have a delay in there, keeps it on a bit longer, and there we go, we are off. And that is how you do it. Dead simple, easy to use. I'll show you on my live scene what it looks like. So I have just got my my Nintendo Switch open at the moment. I've been playing Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, absolutely amazing game. So obviously if I'm in game, something happens, about to kill someone, finish him, brings it up, absolutely, it's so good. And then like I said earlier, if someone jumps into my stream, just give them a little one of them, respect. That's all it's about, with respect, you know. Dead simple to do. I hope this helped. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was simple. Anything you do need, leave in the comments below. Any future tutorials that you do want, leave in the comments also. I will try and help you out the best I can. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. And come check out Twitch. We'll have a nice chat. We'll play some games. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.